What's up, YouTube? It's your boy 2A Quan. We back out at the range. We about to do some shit. We about to put in some work. But y'all stay tuned. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into it.
¿Qué? ¿Te está gustando así o nada? Está mejor así, ¿verdad? Prendiendo algo en vez de nomás ir a disparar.
Alright, 3 rifles, transition to pistol, 3 pistol, reload my rifle, 3 rifle.
2
rifles.
Double tap that.
Rifle first though, right? Rifle first though, right?
Rifle first, 3 rifle. And then say your rifle goes down, you're out. You take out your pistol, hit them 3 times. Make sure make sure the target's still secured. Bring up your rifle, make sure he's down, put that shit away. Reload, he cop back up, and then double tap that. Okay. Alright, shoot ready?
Yep. Start.
Nice. Yep. Put that reload in.
Ah.
What happened? Empty mag.
Yeah, bolt lock.
Bolt lock.
I only had 3 rounds in this fucking mag.
Gee, that's what we gotta do is make it exactly 3. That way we remember that bolt. That bolt has to come down because we're gonna be out. We're not gonna fucking remember that bolt.
So
practice that shit.
So right there, only had 3 rounds in that fucking first mag, and we're doing a 3-3-2. So I got bolt lock and of course. But once again, that goes back to knowing the condition of your weapon. Just get it.
Okay.
¿Sí capaz? 3. La bajas. Con la pistola 3. Baja la pistola. La cargas. 2. Okay. ¿Listo? Dispara.
Bullseye.
Cárgala otra vez. Sácala. Métele. 2.
That's it.
That's it, okay.
You don't have to tack. Just reload.
Alright, bro. Batallón.
Ahí va.
Rifle. Safety. Reload.
Lo traigo a la verga.
Con huevos, güey. Adentro. Al fondo. ¿Cómo tuviste un hijo, güey? How do you make babies? You can't put that shit.
What the fuck?
La verga.
Oh shit, you broke the mag release. No?
What the hell? Is that what yours is?
What kind of lower is that?
Ah, no fui yo. Palmetto.
Yeah.
Uh,
No, this shit is good.
it's probably this is probably 30
You got
in here.
them loaded all the way to
Yeah.
30. Yeah.
What the fuck?
So that's like a big thing.
It's okay,
Everyone
I see
says
it.
if it's loaded at 30, it won't load. Which it
Obviously, it's a problem. Yeah,
it can be.
for some. Yeah.
But that's
No,
a
but-
good example right there. Like, because
Why
I've
not?
always heard that, but I've always just loaded to like 27, 28, you know, I mean, because right at that 27 mark, it starts, 26 really, it starts getting real tight.
Ah, look, and it's a PMAG too.
Yeah.
¿Qué le está pasando?
It's not in there either?
Yeah, it's not going in.
Lost the bolt back?
Well, yeah, it's because there's that one extra. But
Prime example. Actually, let's get that on camera. Load that back in there. All right, so y'all, we're out here. He's got a Palmetto stake. He's got a fully loaded 30 round PMAG. When he tries to load it, no go. So come close to the camera and show him. Fully loaded 30 round PMAG. Not locking in. Pop that 30 one. He pops the 30th one out. Loads perfect. So something I've always heard, but it's busted. That's crazy. Because I've always heard people talk about it.
I've always heard that too, and then, like, I wouldn't have a problem with it. So I guess I just found out.
Yeah. Sure. All right. Yeah, so right now we're about to just run some pistol drills. We're just gonna do basically working on maneuvering the gun, reloading, and just figuring out the movements. When you first start out with this, it can be very weird. It's a lot of the movements you do can be very abnormal to you. So getting used to that and just handling it and working through it. So yeah. All right, y'all. 3, reload 2. Level 3 holster. Shooter ready?
Okay, ready? Go. Oh shit, you're about it.
Oh.
What happened?
So I was about to reload on the second one.
Oh, I was gonna do the same thing, bro. Fuck. Alright, let's go again.
Fucking the AR fits no problem.
Then 3 and 2. 3, reload 2. Okay. Listo. Go.
I know I'm all up here in the head.
Oh shit, dog, why the fuck?
Yeah, we'll pick up the package play.
Damn, you hit his head, though. You were going for the head, huh?
I sort of, kind of. I like in the 8 area.
No, porque no. Okay. Those ones. Okay, hit that motherfucker at the same time. All 3. ¿Tienes dos? Ahí hay otro. There should be another mag around there somewhere.
Oh wow, those perfect. Okay. Well, like, it still sounds like it's loud, so I was like, I wonder if these are
Alright, all together, let's try to fucking.
pulling out and then like would have happened.
We'll shoot at the same target and then you. Alright. All 3.
Okay.
All 3. So. I'm gonna just say kill him. Sí, 3, reload, load, 2. Okay? So we say kill him, right? Listo? Go, bro. What?
What did you say?
I said kill him.
Oh.
Kill him, kill him. Alright? Alright? Kill him.
Because the fucking mouse.
Pasó, hermancito. No, wait.
You got the scope.
No, wait.
What happened?
How the fuck did that happen?
Yeah, damn.
Look, double feed with the fucking bullet backwards up.
Into your fucking.
This time, reload 1, head area.
2,
I had to get
Two.
mine back.
2, reload
Head.
1. All head.
All hand.
Yeah. So this one, we're just gonna do 2, reload 1, and we're gonna aim head area.
Dos en la cabeza. Dos en la cabeza. Reload. Otra vez una en la cabeza. ¿Cómo? Boom, boom en la cara. Reload. Boom en la cara.
Quitas el cartucho, ¿no?
Nomás hay una. O sea, es todo lo que necesitas.
No va a ser una.
That's all you need. Okay. Alright, you call it out, bro. Cuando él diga.
Shooter ready?
Ready? Boom, dude.
It's kind of sad right now because I know it's just.
No mames. Como que, como ya hay bala ahí.
O sea, ya se ve, ya.
So we're about to just run basically 5 rounds just to see where we're at and see what we need to work on as far as anticipation and just drawing from the hip. Doesn't have to be fast, just 5 shots.
Rápido no nomás. Dos movimientos. Okay. Ready?
Yep.
3.
That shit prepping my shit for today. And my cousin, hey, I'm at Legends, hit it up. Fucking started watching the fight there, and then I fucking took off and got all fucked up with these food dogs. So I ain't even hungover though.
Yeah. I must been drinking some good tequila.
Oh yeah.
All right, y'all. 5 shots. Hold on. Know the conditioner you got.
¿Estás listo?
Good.
Listo, okay. 3.
Es que la derecha, güey, si lo doy con la zurda. Si lo doy con la zurda.
Man, what was that? You get 420 in one down there?
I don't smoke, bro.
I got gummies if you want. Yeah, I got.
All right.
Man, that shit sounds dope. Did you hear that shit? There's fucking something silenced or 22. Alright, what you want to do?
Again, 5.
5, hold up. I got 3. I got 4. Now to the face, to the face. A la cara, güey.
Cinco a la cara.
Ready? Alright, you call it out, bro.
Shooter ready? Go.
I feel like my dot is off center, though.
Yeah, but
It like
you're damn near hitting fucking the same spot every time.
Dot is fucking here. But like, I feel like it moved.
Yeah. I don't know if it's because it doesn't have a click system on it.
Look through it. Way off now.
No, tampoco está bien.
Right? It looks like it was way off, huh? I think I gripped it wrong. That might be.
I wasn't even fucking loaded, man.
Oh, my bad.
No tenía balas.
No. ¿Tienes otra? No. Aguas,
Always know the condition of your firearm, people.
Yeah.
That's one thing right there. We were doing some other stuff with the rifles, but we just came to the line, and as you see, I didn't even know the condition of my firearm. So just keep an eye on that, and you know, that's something I need to work on, and just make sure I know where it's at and what's in it.
¿Estás esperando? Sí. Oh,
I tried so hard.